There are indications that the more autonomous universities deliver a better experience in their main missions, in the learning and teaching mission, in the research and innovation mission, but also in outreach to society.
We see autonomy as a key factor of scientific excellence and strive to maintain our scope for action as international research university.
And I think also so the academic freedom of our staff members is crucial to deliver quality.
I think good governance today would require that you reject offerings from someone who wants to threaten your autonomy. And threatening your autonomy can be a case where a donor or a sponsor would require, for example, to participate in selection committees of professors.
Because we should think about the values we have in our cooperation, the requirements we set, and we should involve our academic community there.
Obviously, if we talk about leadership, the need to have strong leaders,
I think leadership is about accountability. So I don't fear accountability. I'm very happy to be held accountable for my decisions and for the way I use public money or whatever. So I think basically it's the willingness to be accountable that defines a leader, and I think that's true whatever background they come from.